Hi everyone, this is Kasha, and today we're going to paint the bird of paradise flower that we drew last week. You need to transfer your sketch onto the watercolor paper. Let me just show you real quick what I'm going to use. So here's my watercolor paper taped. Here's my water jar, it's just a Barilla jar. Here's the brushes that I'm going to use, and they're called Royal. They're very inexpensive, they're $2 a piece. And here's my watercolor tubes, and here's all of the watercolors that I have, and I'm gonna use some of them. So there's different methods to painting watercolor. You can do this technique that's called wet and wet, is where you wet paper first and then you apply your color, but I kind of just like to go with the color and apply it to my paper. Everything that's light in the picture, it's the paper, so you don't want to cover everything up right away because you need to leave the spaces that will be lit and light, not painted. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. I like to start with light wash, so don't layer too much paint, and then gradually build it up. I also go from bigger brush to smaller as I go, and I hope you enjoy this video and follow along with me. Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna let it dry. Make sure to give me thumbs up and come back to see me soon.